Mechtric offers the widest range of industrial signalling products available in Australia, from industry-leading brands such as European Safety Systems, Serena and Clifford & Snell. Hi, I'm Tim Webster and welcome. Flashing and static industrial beacons are available in a range of colours with LED, xenon or filament lamp light sources. There's a range of electronic sounders with alert and evacuation tones meeting Australian standards. Other audible devices include motor sirens, buzzers, horns and bells, and there's a range of portable hand-operated sirens and horns for areas with no readily available power source. Traffic lights and status signals also available to provide traffic control at loading bay doors and gates. So, to see the full range, download the Mechtric Industrial Signalling Catalogue from mechtric.com.au. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.